This is what you call happiness, actual happiness. Vlog. It is Friday today and we are heading to work, and it is cloudy today but it's a bit hot. So anyways, let's go to work and I will see you guys after the work. Done from work. What did you? We are going to do deep cleaning. Here is the situation for plants. They are growing super fast. And this is jasmine. Nice. And so many jasmines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and infinity. 5, actually 6. To do deep cleaning. Look, it's touching to the ceiling. Nice. This is tomato. Nice. We just woke up from a nice nap. We just love taking naps on weekends. The time right now is 7:40. Now we're gonna go for a walk. Today I am going to wear this studio. Recycle. Now we are super ready to go for a walk, and it's a cloudy day but a beautiful day. So we were just discussing that making Tamkuri clean our house is also a big task. Taking out the stuff, not leaving anything on the ground so that she doesn't get stuck. So she's doing her job. By the time we are back from the walk, she will be done cleaning everything. Hopefully, if she doesn't get stuck anywhere. Bless you. Okay, so this is the recycle room. That's the garbage chute. So probably they have cut the grass in here. It's Sanjay, the sun. Nice. Okay, so she's still doing her job. 10 to 9. We are back. Do you see this, guys? The freshly picked flowers from my own mini garden. The jasmine smells so good. I'm gonna put it into a cup or glass just to give us a nice beautiful vibe. This is blessing. This is what you call happiness. The real happiness. Look how beautiful it looks. So I'm gonna put it in here. This one is amazing to shoot videos. It's nice filters. So anyways, so our bhindi is almost ready. It's gonna get ready in few minutes. And so this is our simple dinner. So we are going to boil 2 eggs for both of us, 2 for each of us. Protein is must, as I said. Bhindi, aloo bhindi, roti, and boiled eggs. That's our dinner. And now we are going to watch the Special Ops. It is an amazing series. We started it yesterday, so we finished 4 episodes last night. So we're going to finish the rest tonight. It's ready. Okay, so the time is 5 to 1. Cleaning is done. Yesterday we cleaned whole house, and you see these are still fresh. Lovely. I put this tomato plant inside because somehow it gets shrinked outside just to protect it. The weather today is cloudy. Okay, now let's have coffee. Yeah. Okay, so we are heading to Winery today. It's been so long we didn't go there, so Sanjay said, let's go. It's about. Acha. I'm planning to make dal today. This is the only product that I use a lot. I'm ready. And this is the hairstyle that I've done. I don't know, I'm always clueless when it comes on my hair. I'm always clueless when it comes on my hairstyle. So anyways, we are ready. Let's go. And it's raining. But that's fine. That shouldn't stop our plan. guys. Come. It's not covered. We cannot sit in here. So we are gonna sit maybe over there. These are the wines tasting that we got. That's Sanjay. This one is for Sanjay. This one is for me. It's so good. The texture is so good. You try now, Sanjay. Nice. The weather is beautiful. It's not cold at all. It was super hot in the afternoon. So yeah, this is one of our favorite locations in Windsor. So yeah. And then there's a beach over there. I'm gonna take you there.